The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. Yeah, that's what it is, Monday. Hope everyone had a great weekend and ready for a great week. We are ready to rock and rumble. We just post on the E2T Discord and we will start the day. Yeah, the day. I said the day. Rock me, Amadeus, Amadeus. Let me post on Reddit. And there we go. I forgot to do something earlier. There we go. So let's take a look at the markets overnight, shall we? We fell a lot at Europe. Our high was 44.02 a quarter on ES. Hey, Jay. And our low, 43.75.75. That's 27 points in range. And Q hit its high 15.114. Its low was 14.998. So that's 116 points in range. Kappa, been an up and down kind of night. Gold, there's a gold in them thar charts. I think we have about 12 points in range, pretty big range for gold. Ultra bond kind of flat, but it's managed to get over a point. Crude oil's been all over the place, down, up, down, up, down, up. Sitting currently at about 69.69, nice. And about 130 ticks of range. Last but not least, natural gas. I forgot to move the yellow lines. It's not doing much. That's where we stand there, wherever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. We try and rock the markets. We're gonna rock the markets all night long. I hope you had a good, relaxing weekend, Jay. So, see that the markets have been kind of choppy over the last couple hours. It's made a move up over the last 20 minutes or so. Hitting that 100 EMA on the NQ 5-minute chart, pulling back. We shall see what we shall see. Hey, I'm Matt. How you doing? So we kind of pull back here a bit. Looking for some opportunities. See what we could find. Nice pull back from the 100. Or yeah, from the 20 on the no, from the 100 EMA. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. It's Monday. It's early. That quickly, the Dow's back down, breaking its 20. You're coming back down that at 100 EMA, so nice little rejection off the 100. Got above it, and then whoosh back down. Yes, basically the same move there. You see, hit that 100 EMA, back down. We have no news today. Well, the only news today is at 10:30, Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index. That's it. And that's not going to move the market. Now, there is a Europe Central Bank speaker and an SNB speaker. I have no idea what SNB is. I've never seen that before. Somebody's national bank. Tomorrow we have U.S. durable goods, Canadian CPI, U.S. House Price Index, U.S. Consumer Confidence, U.S. New Home Sales, Richmond Fed Comp Index. You think they could have, like, moved some of that to today, so spread it out. So that's where we sit. There's down to the 100 EMA. Breaking, 20 EMA, breaking the 20 EMA. It's breaking bad. And there's a bounce, possibly. You know what? I'm not logged into Tradovate. There we go. A nice bounce here, right back up. As the market turns, so are the days of our lives. It's a blue candle now. All of a blue candle. This is the last week of the month and the last week of the quarter. And believe it or not, as of Saturday, we've gone through half of 2023. Hey, Mr. G. I don't. It's a good question, Jay. I'm not really sure. So far, we've seen a stronger market than I expected, than most people expected. So I don't know. Usually September is a big sell-off month. Last year we saw a lot of good volatility in the summer. So maybe that'll be that case this year too. How was your weekend, G? Were you able to dodge derailing trains? Back up to this 100 EMA here. Strong candle, 12 points. Not going to take it butting right up against the 100 EMA though. As you can see, it's already pulling back. Ouch. Hey, Leonardo, how's it going? Of course, a reminder, folks, if you're expecting to enjoy today's stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Trying to get this channel moving again. Well, that doesn't sound good, G. That's weird. Maybe someone just dumped a bunch of rotten eggs. So I'm gonna trade has come in with a surprise 50% off deal till the end of the month. Yeah, probably won't stream Monday or Tuesday that week. What are you gonna do with me being gone for like 4 straight days? I'll continue to work on the channel, get some stuff up. And right back down. That's what I was expecting, kind of. Another rejection off that 100. We're just sitting here watching and waiting. Like I said, no real news catalyst today. So we will just sit and wait. Wait and sit. Back down to the 20. Another bounce off of it. We're caught between the 20 and the 100. Anything else doing anything fun? Ultra bond market opens here in a minute. Let's see if it does anything fun. Gonna have fun, fun, fun till your daddy takes the futures away. Not sure why daddy would do that, but hey. Maybe they're losing too much money. What's agriculture doing? Ooh, agriculture. Nice move there on the soybeans. Been rising up most of the night. It's going to be interesting to see whether or not we see soybean oil start having a bullish turn. I read yesterday an article that Goodyear, whoa, look at that bounce. Wow. Anyway, Goodyear is now trying to make a uh, sustainable tire using soybean oil. And it's already been approved for road use by the whatever government agency approves that. It's like considered 70% made from 70% sustainable materials, with the main thing being soybean oil, replacing regular oil in the making of the tires. Finally, something good coming out of soybeans. That was a quick bounce there. I'm not sure. That was interesting. So I would not be upset to see that use of soybeans. Okay, we are ready to rock and roll. Kind of sitting here waiting. This, like I said, this was not an opportunity I wanted. Now I'm looking at the 1 minute chart, and I see I could have done some 5 point scalping here. And I might just start doing some of that. Sitting here. What did Ultravon do at its open? Huh? Popped up by 7. That might have been the cause of it. Sometimes NQ will pop up with the Ultravon at when it's open. Excuse me 1 second. I'm back. Anybody else take any pre-market trades here yet? An hour and 5 minutes till the bell. We're up to 15,053. ES up to 43.87. Ooh, really rising up here. So there may be no catalyst, but getting a nice move. So high on NQ. Oh yeah, we're still far away from highs of the day. 114. ES's high was 44.02. See if it takes us higher. Yes, now sitting at 43.88. Ultra Bond with that nice move up, hitting its high day. I think it went a tick above. Gold dropping like it's hot, dropping like it's hot, dropping like it's hot. Crude oil bouncing off its 100. And copper's all wishy-washy. $15,062 where we're at. I think you can see this big drop here, back here, overnight. Yeah, I even looked at this before I went to bed. I'm like, hey, you know what? Maybe I should just go short and let it do whatever it's going to do overnight. But I didn't. I should have. You can see the big drop. It's trying to gain some of that back now. Summer is here, and MightyOx is turning up the heat with huge sales on both intraday drawdown accounts and end-of-day accounts. Which do you prefer? If you prefer the intraday drawdown accounts, get 90% off their option 1 accounts. That's the 25K all the way up to the 250K account size. Use code MOT90. Do you prefer end-of-day drawdown? Well, it's unusual to see 70% off sale anywhere on end-of-day drawdown accounts, and you can get it on their 25K, 50K, or 100K account sizes. Use code MOT70. MightyOx, invest in yourself and get funded. Remember, you can have up to 11 funded accounts. Get one, get 11, but get some and invest in yourself. Of course, Nightbot is posting that link, I think. Yeah, Nightbot's posting that link a little bit up. Kind of hanging here the last few minutes. 15,062 US 43.89. Still slightly rising, not as fast as we were last couple of 5-minute candles. Remember, no news catalyst, so we're just kind of hanging. Though I will say we've had a nice movement here so far for not being catalyst. This is not choppy at all so far. It was choppy earlier before the stream, but really, I mean, this is a nice move up. A little pull down first. Can't complain about this. Just didn't give me any signals that I wanted to take. Oh, there's a pullback. Purple candle on everything. Yes, thank you. And YM. This little syringe candle there. That's what I call them. Not a technical term, but hey, maybe it'll be a phrase. Y'all really quiet. I'm here talking to myself. That's more wick than body, you know. Oh no, you're fine, Jay. I'm kidding around. So pulling back just a tad. Looking for love in all the wrong places. Ultra bond pulled back there after that nice rise up on that candle. Slightly new high day. Gold's all choppy. Metals are choppy. Crude oil coming down. And Dow's breaking its 20. ES and NQ still well above theirs. ES at 43.87.5. Straddling the 20 there. On the 1 minute chart, maybe bouncing back up. Pulling back. Yeah, I don't know what more to say right now. Nothing much happening. nothing much. Bitcoin's still over 30,000. Natural gas rising. Yep, there's the pull down. Back down to 15,052. ES down to 43.86 a quarter. So back down to the 100, almost 15,049. ES breaking its 100 and its 20 at 43.85.75. Oh, bouncing. Hey JC, how you doing? I'm doing all right. Huh. I wonder what 19 tokens they targeted. Well, I never had a student loan, so that doesn't. Well, I didn't realize Rivian was part of the NASDAQ 100. It'll bounce back up. Now we've gotten to the choppy part of the morning. Knew we would get here at some point in time. We are a little over half an hour to the bell, about 7 minutes to the top of the hour. So, we'll see what happens. Crude opens in a few. Ooh, crude's really dropping. Dropping like it's hot. Dropping like it's hot. Bouncing here on NQ. No trades yet. Stretching. Hey, John, how's it going? Going back here slightly. Slightly. ES sitting at 43.8675. NQ 15058. Like I said, we're choppy. Nice, John. Excellent. I had thought about going short before going to bed, and I didn't, and I wish I had. And I'm doing all right. Yeah, last night we turned back down. I went to bed about right around, yeah, just broken the 100. Around this area, I looked at it and I was like, hey, you know what? I think this might continue to drop. But alas, I didn't pull the trigger. Hey, Burrow. Yeah, for me, if I would have done that, I hadn't put a profit target on it. I just closed it when I woke up. Let's see. Right here's where I woke up, so it would have been about 70 points. That would have been nice. Up, there's a bounce back up. Minute 20 till the top of the hour. How was the weekend, Burl? Down. And we're just kind of dojiing here. Creating a new word. Dojiing. There's the top of the hour. Bounce on crude as the energies markets open. Sounds way too busy for a weekend there, bro. No, I just did the usual. I worked on some videos content. I worked on some charting. I worked on I slept in both days like I normally do. Wow, that's excellent, John. You gotta put that on an account soon, or? Awesome. Hope it works out well. Still choppy. ES sitting at 43.87. It's literally sandwiched between its 20 and 100 EMA on the 5-minute chart. It is a candle sandwich, which probably doesn't taste real good, even if it is scented. It's kind of hanging here. Not much exciting going on. I said we're going to be choppy. The first hour really wasn't choppy. Now, well, the first half hour, but hey, Crypticon, how's it going? Hey, RJ. Computer working well? Oh crap! Were you able to get out of the trade okay? What what caused the, was it like a like a blue screen of death, or did the what happened? Does whoever you use have a phone app or a way you can do stuff on your phone to get out of a trade? And we're down to the 20 and the 100. Trying to pass both here. Breaking on down with about 20 minutes to go before the bell. Yeah, I would be too. They owe you something, refund or. I mean, I can't believe two different hard drives failed. I mean, it is possible. Big drop here. ES down 2.5, down to 43.84. It almost sounds like there's some other configuration problem with the hard drive. You know, like the motherboard's not, something's wrong with the motherboard that is not reading the drive or something like that. Not that I'm a computer expert, but yeah, I mean, At this point, they should probably send you a whole new rig. But it took them like a week and a half to get you the hard drive. I can't imagine how long that will take. Little bounce here. ES 4385. Again, we're just hanging around 15050 here on NQ, and I remember saying that a lot on Friday too. Maybe it wasn't. Kind of bounce? No, I guess I didn't say that. Oh wait, I'm looking at the wrong asset. Yeah, I did say that a lot on Friday. Excuse me, 15050 was an important area on Friday. Right back up. So nothing. Hopefully we get some movement after the bell, which is about 15 minutes. I mean, it is sending me a blue candle here, so maybe I should say that. Maybe we're getting something here. Got a minute 30 on this candle. I don't know. I mean, it's been going up. We had this pullback, but hard to say. I don't know if there's a fake out back up, or whether or not it wants to get some oomph going in that direction. I mean, this is a 13-point candle. Biggest candle we've seen this morning right now, as long as it stays that big. Awesome. So that candle closed. I'm hesitant on it because of the size and the fact that we have been coming down, 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 down. I don't know if that's the reversal candle we're looking for. These the droids you're looking for. It's gone a little bit, but not much. Less than 15 minutes till the bell. We ready? We ready? Is anyone else taking any pre-market trades? Just continuing to watch. Yes, 43.85 still. Maybe nothing until after the bell. I feel like I'm repeating myself over and over again. Hey, Ace hasn't stopped in yet. Cryptocon, did I see that you're just about at funded on one of your accounts? Yep, copper dropping. Copper dropping, copper dropping. Dropping like it's copper. Gold dropping. Ultra bond dropping. Everything is dropping. Crude, wow. Crude tried to come up there when the energies markets open, but it's failing back below 69. Good morning, Ace. How was the weekend? Climb any mountains this weekend? There's another bounce, another blue candle here on ES. I mean, on Q, well, ES too. Nope, Ace. It died again on Friday. Why he was in a trade? Pulling back here again. Five minutes till the bell. 5 minutes. Big pullback. Summer is here, and MightyOx is turning up the heat with huge sales on both intraday drawdown accounts and end-of-day accounts. Which do you prefer? If you prefer the intraday drawdown accounts, get 90% off their option 1 accounts. That's the 25K all the way up to the 250K account size. Use code MOT90. Do you prefer end-of-day drawdown? Well, it's unusual to see 70% off sale anywhere on end-of-day drawdown accounts, and you can get it on their 25K, 50K, or 100K account sizes. Use code MOT70. MightyOx, invest in yourself and get funded. Remember, you can have up to 11 funded accounts. Get one, get 11, but get some and invest in yourself. So back down to the 20 and the 100 with about 3.5 minutes to the bell. See if we get direction at the bell. As of right now, I'm kind of thinking down. We've seen this up move, down, up, and then back down, kind of an M, a very sloppy M pattern. Thank you, John. I'll turn that up. When I first recorded it, it was really loud, so I tried to adjust for it. ES dropping here. 43.85 again. NQ quickly down to 15.041. Big 18-point candle. One minute to go. 1 minute. Wow, big candle here going into the open, down 26.5 points. By the way, John, good call. Good call. Let's see if it continues down here at the bell. Would have been a beautiful trade, Ace. Beautiful. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. I really need to get a real bell sometime. Anyway. Down here again. Down to 15,025 ES, though, is popping up. ES up to 43.84. Dow popping big. 51 points. I love it when you call me Big Papa. Popping. Papa. Whatever. Up, and there's a bounce at NQ back up in the green. NQ is like, oh my god. ES and YM are heading up. I gotta catch up. Just kidding. Assets don't really talk. Still. Nice little bounce there. Up, hit the 100 and the 20 and bounce back down. It doesn't know where it wants to go. Well, if they do talk, I wish they would like tell me where they plan to go. Now heading down again. ES pulling back as well. ES touched its 100 and then whipped back. Three minutes in and NQ still doesn't figure out what it wants to go do with its life. I know the feeling. Yeah, I believe so, JC, because I believe they give level 2 free. You're using Jigsaw now? Have you always used Jigsaw and I didn't know it, or is this something new? Guess I could check, see whether or not I have level 2. Yeah, I got level 2 on Blue Sky, so I mean, yeah, you could use a Dom. You trade with our trader? Really? I can't stand our trade. By the way, huge bounce here. Huge bounce. Look at this go. So it gained that all the way back as a blue candle. It's not even thinking about taking that blue candle, but it's a blue candle nonetheless. Yes, back up to 43.90. Dow, that candle is 52 points and still going. A little bit of a pullback on NQ. About trying Jigsaw, JC? Yep, still going up. Now we're still far away from highs of days. Highs a day. Highs a day. Yes, high day or high overnight was 44.02. So we're 10 points away yet. AQ high was 114, so we're still like 50 points away. Yeah, JC, you could. Yeah, absolutely. I have. I've had in the past. I've had one open in NinjaTrader, one open on Quant Tower, one open on our Trader, and one open on Tradovate. Hey, Philip, how you doing? Hits the band, pulls back. You're welcome. Still rising, and you're right. I mean, there really is no news for those rise up. I mean, I guess they got to feel the market's got to go one direction or another. Strong moves. I mean, this is a coming out of nowhere. Last trading week of the month, last trading week of the quarter, last trading week of the first half of the year. Hard to believe half of 2023 is gone already. Time keeps on slipping and slipping and slipping into the future. Let's take a trip on a rocket ship. Thank you, ES, and YN continue that out. Let's see what everything else is doing. Gold, big pullback. Wow, gold is dropping like a rock. Ultra bond dropping like a rock, making a new daily low. Crude oil, huge bounce. Wow, 52 tick bounce there. And BTC is having another good day. Yeah, bouncing here, got up to 15,085 and pulled back slightly. ES now up to 43.95. Trying to race back up to 4,200. Dow continuing to rise up as well, breaking 34,000. And oh wow, look at that 15-minute candle in the Russell. 17 points. Just straight up. Just straight up. Tell me, will you love me forever? Pulling back now. Anyone taking any trades yet? I haven't. But I wish I had off that ES blue candle. Didn't look as intimidating as that NQ candle, but we could have got something out of it. Could have got 10 points. But I did see the pullback there, but it was scary. Excellent. Great job, Ace. And Jay, yeah, I know you don't actually trade. Oh, so you're gonna give them money back on that trade, Ace, because you can't count it. All right, nice. Yeah, gold's dropping like it's hot. Wow, Ace. I didn't even know babies could ride bikes. 43.96 now on the ES. 15,084 on NQ. Q now about 30 points away from its high of day, and ES is only 4 points away. Wow. There's 15,090. Anyone else get the feeling this is going to fall hard at some point? Excellent, Ace. Excellent. That's your second 10-pointer in the last week. Should only cry over ticks if they give you Lyme disease. Hanging at 15,090, ES 43.98 half. There's a push. Trying to go, 15,095. There it goes. Just hit 15,100. Struggling at that big round number though. Get a breakthrough. There's 03, 04. Nope, not yet. Ooh, pull that right back. Struggling at 100 though there. Crossed it, but keeps going back under. There's 102. All 104. Still struggling here though. And now back under, back down to 93. Stealing those Bollinger Bands there. ES and Dow both showing red candles. Ooh, all the way back down to 90. Here we go. New candle. New 5-minute candle. Nope. I pulled all the way back down to 82. Now back up to 90. Of course. As it tries again. ES with a blue candle. There's the rise. Nope, still struggling at 100. There we go. Now we're good. There's 10. There's 105. $106. 109. There you go. There's 110. 112. ES up to 4,400. 113. I took a trade on ETF. Actually, I took 2 trades. It's the one you can't see because I have Blue Sky. It's the one I'm willing to take more risks on because it's either going to pass or go away, and I hate the company. But I had the free account to use. And I took a loss on the first one. It would have pulled back to this. And then I took a second one with 2 contracts and made it up plus. Okay, real quick, I can log out, log in, log in, thank you. ETF, connect. It did not show. Hold on. There, you can see my, you can see my 2 trades on it. Actually, it's only showing me 1 trade. Not sure why. Why is it only showing me 1 trade? There you can see these are the trades I took today. First one I got in at 85. Well, I got stopped at 85. I was in at 95. Then I went in with 2 contracts in at exactly 100 out at 110. Not sure why it's only showing 1 trade though. Let me go back to Blue Sky now. And we did hit yesterday's target plus. We're up to 15,120. ES now at the 4401.25 as its high, but that has not reached the high overnight, which is 4402. And it's sitting at 4,475 right now. Big move up here. Now, and Q's also gained back most of what it lost from Friday, the Friday during regular trading hours, not what lost during Asia and Europe. John, you get out of that gold trade before this bounce? John DeFore. Ultra bond kind of bouncing here, so we're starting. Ooh, look at crude go. So we're starting to see gold and ultra bond bouncing, which means we might start seeing some weakness here in the indices because they sort of go the opposite direction. Not all the time, but lately they have been. We are nearing top of the hour. We do have a really tiny bit of news that I don't expect to move the market at 10:30. Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index. Yes, sitting just below 4,400. Look. Still going. And 15,136 new high. I wish I'd taken that trade on Blue Sky, but I really, it wasn't my strategy. I was using RJ's levels, so I went on the ETF account instead. I either need to pass or cancel the ETF by the end of the week, so. We're just continuing to try and move up. 139. ES still has not hit Asia high, which was 4402.25. It's gotten one point away. Pulling back here a bit. Top of the hour. Wow, still going. And ES still hasn't hit Asia high. ES still hanging at 4,400. NQ up to 15,145. So NQ is just flying here up 80 points. No, more than that. Since the bottom, it hit bottom at the open of 15,024. It's up 120 points. Nice, RJ. Nice. Wait, when did you start trading NQ again? Dow's pulled back. 3 red candles in a row in the Dow. Oh, okay. Makes sense. Fifteen 148, pulling back about 10 right now. ES stubborn though, will not hit that Asia high. NQ and YM, you're gonna make Ace cry never taking a ES trade. So 1 for 2 on the ETF account, up about 200 bucks there. Didn't even look at agriculture this morning. Let's take a quick gander. You can see soybeans rocketing up, corn rocketing up, oil coming down, soybean oil. And wheat coming up. Okay. Pull back a little bit, now giving me another blue candle. ESs as well, but again, still is it's this weird ES here, just staying at that 4,400 level, not moving more than 1 point either direction. And there's 15,150. Yep, finally vertical overnight high. 4403. Gold after that bounce, trying to come back down. Same with the ultra bond. ES getting up to that 150 area and showing weakness. It's got up there twice, and you see it getting smacked back. I mean 200. Yeah, 2 minutes to go in this candle. You see it more wick than body, even though it's blue. Being quiet to move up. Quiet. I sound like a duck when I do that. Quiet. Russell's pulled back. Russell's giving clean, very clean candles there. Hardly any wicks. Look at that. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Another, okay, now that 30 seconds to go, it's another big blue candle. And in ES back under 4,400. Down to 43.98. We're seeing a little bit of weakness here. Dow has actually shown us 5 straight red candles. Strong candle down here. Now back down to 120. Not falling fast though. Coming back up. Damn it, really? Bounces. Damn it. Are you fucking kidding me? Yep, back down to 43.95. And key down to 15.120. All right. Yeah, very great trade, RJ. Very. Excellent job, John. This candle's now more wick than body. Looks like it's gonna try and head back up. Damn it. I heard he had a really bad game yesterday, John. I never really thought of him as an everyday player, John. More of a utility player. Now the air surprised me because he seemed to, he's a pretty sound player overall. But I don't know. Nice kid. I wish he could find success, but Cody Clemens is probably getting sent down soon. He had a great run for a few weeks, but he's like in an 0 for 16 slump now. Nice bounce here on the Dow. Everything's bouncing back up. ES back up to 4,400. Yeah. I mean, he's pitched like 3 or 4 times this year for the Phillies. I know he pitched like 5 times last year for the Tigers. Struck out Ohtani. Yeah, he was. Yeah, I saw that. But Bichette's and Guerrero's kids are doing well. Decided to join me. I'm not sure why. Makes trading harder. Reached another new high on NQ at 152. ES back up to 4401. A little bit of a pullback here. Yeah. So maybe the last hurrah run there? I don't know. Now we're getting pulled back again. Hard to see over the cat butt. Yeah. Bichette's a good player. Yeah. He's going to get a lot of money. Though I'm really curious to see the contract that Ohtani gets. Ohtani could set a record. Big time record. Yes, back under 4,400, down to 43.97. Nice purple candle there. Cat just heard a mouse, so he's leaving. I think he's leaving. He's still like standing over my mouse. My computer mouse, not my actual living, breathing rodent. So we pull back from the high there of 152 down to 128. uh, ooh, big move down here. Yeah, I think this is going to be a horrible summer for bad weather, G. Hurricanes, tornadoes, heat waves, probably wildfires. So big drop here. So we went from 152 all the way down to 112 within a few minutes. Fortunately, I can't see my 1 minute chart because the cat butt's in my way. Might have been yeah, when it broke that 20 on the wall, that would have been a good take. uh, that's a shame, and most likely Shell won't do anything about it. That's, you know, those countries don't have some of the same protections that other countries do. Do not sit on my keyboard, cat. If you want to go watch the mouse, go watch the mouse. Right now you're in my way. Popping back up here. So if I had taken that purple candle, could have quickly got, you know, a 10-pointer. Yeah. But you see, it went away that quick. So I'm up on the ETF account today, but I've not taken a trade on the blue sky. Thirty-minute chart doesn't really. That 30-minute chart from the open was up 100 points. We've had an up and down day. John? Sure, Algo caught this move up. Cat has left. Yay. Thank you. Popping back up. ES popping back up. I mean, I like UG, I like uniformity, but as long as we're going for the more restrictive labeling versus the more lenient labeling. Coming back down. Quick move down. I hope it did. That'd been a nice trade for you, John. So let's see. Gold bounced off its. I'm sorry, silver bounced off its 100. Gold is kind of wishy-washy below its 100. Ultra bond doing the same. Copper's all wonky, though following the engulfing candles would have been nice. Crude oil went up, now coming back down. Yes, John. Expired on the 16th. And another bounce. Hey, we're getting a blue candle. Oh, not sure I want to trust it. Got about a minute 20 on it. It went away. Away, away, why do you stay? A little bit choppy here now. ES 43.96 half. NQ 15.123. Good luck with that, G. Yeah, let's see if we get that 10:30 reversal. Which may have started early, actually. It may have started more like 10 o'clock. Hey, missed the NQ going up big, gold going down big, and everything else kind of in between. Big move down. Big move down. Below 100 here. Sorry, got distracted for a second. ES down to 43.91. Big move. It's a big 35.5 minute candle here. I'll be right back. Wonder why they're just letting it sit. Oh, quick boom down there. Great job, G. Bouncing here a bit. That was a big purple candle, but I didn't like that wick at the end. We'll see if it continues down. ES is bouncing off its 100 EMA. Getting a headache. I don't know why. Summer is here, and MightyOx is turning up the heat with huge sales on both intraday drawdown accounts and end-of-day accounts. Which do you prefer? If you prefer the intraday drawdown accounts, get 90% off their option 1 accounts. That's the 25K all the way up to the 250K account size. Use code MOT90. Do you prefer end-of-day drawdown? Well, it's unusual to see 70% off sale anywhere on end-of-day drawdown accounts, and you can get it on their 25K, 50K, or 100K account sizes. Use code MOT70. MightyOx, invest in yourself and get funded. Remember, you can have up to 11 funded accounts. Get one, get 11. But get some and invest in yourself. Trades both, Burl, and he just, updates us. Like I encourage everyone to tell us what kind of trades they're in, even if it's not, regular futures contracts. I like to hear about people's successes. I mean, you could come in here and tell me that you just went short on Tesla and big, and I'll be happy. So it did continue to come down. I should have maybe trusted it. Coming down to the 100. Dow with a nice move down. Everything's dying. But gold's popping, and so is the Ultra Bond. Almost like clockwork. Oh yeah, we did have that news at 9:30. 10:30. That I totally forgot about. Dallas Federal Manufacturing Business Index, negative 23.2. They expected negative 20. As you can see, it really didn't do much. I think it meant learn to drive a 5-speed stick. And yeah, I've never learned to drive stick. I can barely, and now I probably definitely couldn't drive stick with the peg leg. Actually, I hate driving altogether, so adding more to driving for me was just suck. I'm not sure why I'm stuck. Ooh. So I was stuck on crude oil there for some reason, and you see NQ just dying, giving it all back. We opened at 15.036, and we're down to 15.040. ES down to 43.81. I want a reliable self-driving car. Bounce a little bit. ES down to 43.80, bounced a little back up to 43.85. And there's the bounce slightly. I added the poll. It doesn't hurt anything. So there's a bounce back up to 15,061. And popping back up. Hey guys, since y'all have knowledgeable, I have knowledgeable people here. I have a friend who has. Hold on a minute. About $7,000 of Series EE savings bonds, and he wants to cash them in, and he doesn't know how to do it. And I've never dealt with savings bonds. Do any of you know how to cash in savings bonds? His bank won't do it. Oh, he uses a credit union, and they won't do it. He was going to open an account with Chase, but it says Chase won't do it until that you banked with them for a year. Blue candle here popping up on NQ. This is a 20-point candle. I can't fire the friend he built my computer. I'm trying to help him out. Popping back up. Wow, I'm really the only one that doesn't know how to drive a manual? Nice pop back up here. It's a 28-point candle. ES back up to 43.90. So this is a, bounce out of nowhere. All banks matter. Bouncing off the 20 here a bit. Oh, it's trying to break on through to the other side. Okay, so we found something that makes Crypticon go off. So, someone says treasurydirect.gov, but they rip people off. I'm not sure how. I did go to the Treasury website on this. I'm gonna. He's listening, by the way, guys. He's on the stream. So Connor, I'm gonna send you the link for the Treasury Direct website. See if you can figure out anything there as well. And do it when you're not driving. Nice green candle breaking the 20. So definite more movement today on this Monday morning without any news catalyst than I expected. Hey Crypt, how's your but did you get your consistency today for or whatever you were planning on getting for that account that was closed? Popping down. The got candles giving back. Oh, okay. You still trading that other account or I know you had two. Kind of going off the rails here, but the Brady Bunch wagon was brown. Oh, maybe not. Hold on. Yeah, the Brady Bunch wagon was brown. Brady Bunch wagon. He was an architect. Bouncing off the 20. And back down. So I did not take any trades on Blue Sky today. I am up $200 on the ETF account. And I feel dumb because I'm the only one that doesn't know how to drive a manual transmission. Wow, wheat really fell. So gold's been sideways now for the last hour. Crude's trying to head back down. Ultra Bond is sideways as well. Copper continues to fall. Well, no, I don't know. Wait, why is copper? I can't see copper. What the heck's wrong with the copper chart? That's weird. Huh. I'll have to fix that sometime. Copper's bouncing. Nice job, Crypt. That's a great point, Mr. G. Great point. Wow, that's a lot of money. I hope that's a good thing, G. Here, the purple candle here with 3 minutes to go in the stream. Maybe we'll take a trade right here at the end of the stream. Yeah, they claim that the thing about the relationship between Barry Williams and Florence Henderson was totally fabricated. But yeah, the father was gay in real life. Uh, Most child stars turn out very troubled. unfortunately. But I guess the Brady kids all did pretty well. I never really heard anything bad with them. Ooh, pulling back here just at the end of this candle. I consider taking that if it had finished. You see it retreating here at the end. Yep, not taking that candle. So there we go. We're at the end. So no trades on Blue Sky today, but we did get 2 trades on ETF. One winner, one loser, up $200. Oh, wow. Well, of course, China and Russia are all buddies now. Anyway, I do want to thank everyone for joining me. I promise more trades tomorrow. Today was kind of a weird, wonky day, but I think tomorrow will be better. We do have a couple news catalysts tomorrow. I want to thank everyone for joining me, and we'll be back here tomorrow, 8 a.m. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading. Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading. And Reddit is r/Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.